Let's learn the concept of prefix sum. Prefix sum of an array is defined as another array where each index is filled with sum of prefixes of the array. So initial elements of the arrays are called prefix. For example, 5 is a prefix of array A. 5 to combine, this is also a prefix of array A. Then if I say 5 to minus 1 is also prefix. So prefix is something which is in the beginning. In fact, entire array can also be called as prefix of array A. So here the idea is prefix sum of I. At any index, the value we are filling should be sum of all the elements of A starting from 0 up to that index element. Here it is mathematically defined, sum of all the elements from index 0 to I, both inclusive, 0 index and I index both should be included. So if you see, here is the formulation of this. Now if we go with this definition, so certainly prefix sum array of 0 should be A of 0. PA of 1 should be sum of elements from index 0 to up to 1. So PA of 1, if I fill, it will be A0 plus A1. Same way, PA of 2 will be A0 plus A1 plus A2. Now, if we have to define it kind of in a generic way, we can also say PA of I will be A0 plus A1 plus AI minus 1 plus AI. Okay. Now this, if I just want to represent as a recursive formulation, I can also call it as PA of I is nothing but these terms. If you look at, this is PA of I minus 1. So we can say it is prefix some array of I minus 1 plus AI. So it is like, if you know prefix sum up to the previous element, then you add AI to it, you get prefix sum of next element. So this is recursive formulation, and this is going to be the base case. If we use just this part, number 1 and number 2, we can efficiently fill PA array. Let's see how do we go and fill that PA array. So what we can see is PA of 0 will be directly A of 0. So I can just copy 5 here. Filling 0th index is straightforward. Now when we want to fill the next element, we will use PA of 1 will be PA of 0 plus A of 1. So essentially this element will be sum of PA of 0 and A of 1. So 5 plus 2 will become 7. Same way, if we come to the next index, PA of 1 plus A of 2. So PA of 2 will be calculated as PA of 1 plus A of 2. So let's go and fill 7 plus minus 1 will be 6. Same way, 6 plus 4 will be 10. Now if we say 10 plus 6 will be 16. 16 plus 7 will be 23. 23 plus 0 will be 23. Now this 23 plus minus 8 will become 15. And same way, 15 plus 6 will become 21. So this is kind of with one linear scan, one loop from left to right, you can essentially get the prefix array 1 easily. And this prefix sum concept will be useful in a lot of questions that we are going to talk about, we are going to do in this series. So please make sure that you are comfortable understanding the idea as well as translating this approach into code.